In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replace a photo in a jitter video. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or someone just starting out, knowing how to update visuals in your videos effectively can add fresh appeal to your projects. Today, we'll walk through everything you need to know about replacing an image in Jitter, step by step, in a simple and direct way. First, let's go to Jitter's Drafts area. This is your starting point where all your video projects are stored. It's like your creative workspace warehouse, where everything is organized and ready for action. Make sure you are logged into your account, then navigate to the Drafts section. This is where you can view a list of all your previously created projects. It's important to know your way around here, as it's the hub of your creative process. Once you're in the Drafts area, click on the project where you want to replace the photo. By clicking on the project, Jitter will open up the canvas for you. Picture this canvas as your digital playground where all the magic happens. Look at your project carefully and find the image that you would like to replace. Click on the image to select it, which will ensure that Jitter knows this is the specific element you're aiming to modify. Next, on the right-hand side of your screen, you'll find the toolbar with various design options. Among these options, you will see the button labeled Design. Click on it to reveal additional settings and controls available for customizing your project. After you've opened up the design options, you'll want to find and click on Replace Media. Doing so will prompt a file selection window to open up. This is where you can choose the new photo you want to use in your video. When picking a replacement, consider the aesthetics and relevance of your new image to ensure that it matches the theme and tone of the existing video. It's also a good time to remember that high-resolution images work best as they enhance the overall quality and professional appeal of your project. After you've selected your image, confirm your choice, and Jitter will replace the old image with the new one. Just like that, you've successfully updated your video content with fresh visuals. Take a few moments to preview the video and ensure everything looks as expected. If you're satisfied with the replacement, you can go ahead and finalize your project or continue editing as needed. That's all there is to it. Replacing a photo in your Jitter video is a straightforward process that can make a significant impact on the presentation and effectiveness of your work. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.